we are picking up our new toy. We're going to pick up our custom 14-foot mini jet boat. Looks amazing. Jesse did an amazing job. Thank you, Jesse. This is easily the coolest sport you never knew you had to do. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the Country Slicker YouTube channel. Today we have a huge day. We are picking up our new toy. We've been hinting toward it for months, but today's the day. It is finally ready. Everything's buttoned up, and we're going to pick up our custom 14-foot mini jet boat from Greywolf Industries in Millet, Alberta. So stay tuned, you guys. Very excited to bring this content to you. We're really excited to pick up our boat, get it on the water and try it out. The owner, Jesse, has been working tirelessly for the last few months trying to get this boat ready for us. It is done up to the nines, every option you can think of. We got custom seats, custom suspension, custom interior, custom supercharged motor. We got it all. We're really excited to bring it to you. I've got my wife and dog, who's already passed out, ready, but we're really excited to bring this to you guys. So we're gonna get driving right now. We're headed out to Millet to pick this boat up, and then we're gonna come back towards the Red Deer River / Glenifer Lake to do some water testing and get a sense of how this thing drives and what it's capable of. So stay tuned, you guys. We're gonna get on the road and we're gonna bring this to you. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We're excited to have you as part of the channel and part of the community. So we're gonna be right back with you guys after the short introduction, and then we will be out picking up the boat. Stay tuned. Grabbing my bear spray. We are way out here. We need to be on that side. Unfortunately, we were going down a trail exploring. Trail fix. Good. Yeah, good. Rim exploded. Look at this. In business. Minus the shock. At this time, we'd like to give a shout out to our sponsors for making this YouTube channel possible. Alright, you guys, so we just made the drive to Millet to pick up the boat, and without further ado, here she is. Looks amazing. Jesse did an amazing job. Thank you, Jesse. Super excited, you guys, so check this thing out without further ado. All right, you guys, so as you can see, this thing is awesome. Supercharged, 300 horsepower Sea-Doo engine in it, 12-degree boat, extra stringers, custom sound system, ultra decking, paint, suspension seats, the list goes on. We will do a review video for you guys with a full walk around, but right now we're focused on just getting this thing on the water and doing some tests. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and do that. We will check back with you guys in a minute. We're just gonna get out to the lake and get this thing on the water and see how she performs and get a few miles on her. So check back with us in just a few minutes. We're gonna get hooked up and pull out. Okay guys, so got the captain's hat on. Boat floats, making sure the boat floats.
I drove the trailer.
And she drove the trailer, yeah. Thank God, because I don't know how to drive a trailer. I would not have got this in the water. Anyways, boat's going well. We are headed back to the shoreline to get the push-pull, just in case we get stuck, and then we're gonna go up the Red Deer River and test this thing out. But it seems very fun so far. Sport mode was fun, wasn't it?
So fun.
So fun, yeah.
I mean, I have.
Sport mode is pretty fun, but we're gonna go upriver, we're gonna check it out, and it should be a good time. And we will see you guys in a minute. We're gonna try and bring you guys some cool footage of this thing cruising the river. All right, we got our push-pull. That's our saving grace. So if we get stuck, this is where it's gonna happen. You guys ready to hit the river? It's gonna be a good time. We're gonna have fun. This will be a good time. We'll see how the old Greywolf performs. Oh man. All right, you guys, so this is easily the coolest sport you never knew you had to do. This is so much fun. Just ripping the river, running the chutes. We actually skipped two different not log jams, sorry. It was just like gravel bars, which was insane. Boat floated right over and then got right back on steps. So, oh man, we're having a time. This is so much fun. Holy, and look at this. Like, you don't get better views than this. Like, you are on the river just living. Like, this is so much fun. We just pulled off to a nice little channel, and we're going to stop off, and the girls are going to have some drinks, and I'm going to have some water, and we're going to yeah, jump in and cool off a little bit, and then we'll be right back on the river. But this is a good time. This is a fun time for sure. Jesse from Greywolf, man, you did a crazy job on this build. We're having a lot of fun. Is it cold? All right, you guys, so that's our first trip on the river. Obviously, this thing's a lot of fun. We have a lot of content to bring you. We have a lot of things to show you guys, but overall, this thing's sweet. We had 3 people in there. We didn't struggle once to get on step. We had a lot of fun ripping the river. We got some really cool water spots in, And we are really excited to bring you guys some Jetboat content. So like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next Jetboat adventure.